Abby, get easy. You get easy? Easy ears. Good. Wagging tail. Your tail's wagging. Tail's wagging. Good. Scruff. Easy scruff. Good. Easy scruff. Good. Good. Easy scruff. Yes. Good. Easy. Is Wiley barking? Wiley's barking. Wiley, quiet. Good. Easy. Go lay down, Wiley. Good. Easy. Good. You're shaking. You're shaking. Are you cold? Came in from outside. You're cold, huh? Easy shoulders. You get your shoulders easy? Good. Easy shoulders. Are you licking? Good. Are you kissing? Good kissing. Good kissing. Good. 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 Good kissing. Can you get easy? Get easy. You're shaking. Can you feel yourself shaking? You're alert. You're kissing. That's good kissing. Good. Can you get easy shoulders? Easy legs. Good. Easy legs. Can you get your legs easy? Hi. That's kissing. You're kissing. Yes. You're kissing. Now stop. Good. Easy. Can you get easy? Good. Can you get easy? Get your legs easy. Your legs are tense. Can you get your legs easy? Get your legs easy. Get your legs easy. You're tense. Can you get easy? Can you get easy? No. Stop. Get easy. Get easy. Get easy. Okay. Stop. Easy shoulders. How about easy ears? Easy eyes. Good. Easy ears. I like the easy ears. Can you get easy? Good. Good. Easy scruff. Good. Easy scruff. Good. I know it's terrible, isn't it? Easy shoulders. You're alert. Can you get easy? Abby, can you get easy? Hey, can you get easy? Pay attention to me. Can you get easy? Can you get easy? If you get easy, I'll let you go back to the couch. Get easy. Get easy legs. Easy legs. Oh, your legs are easier. No, you're not doing that. Get easy. Yawn. Good yawn. Good yawn. Yes, that's it. Can you get easy? No, excuse me, Rose. Todd, stop. Get easy. Let's go home. Go lay down. Get easy. Todd, not at all. Quiet. Stop. Go lay down. Good. Get easy. Good. A little distraction there, huh? Good. Get easy. Get easy. Good. Easy. Get easy. Never mind. Nope, never mind what they're doing. Pay attention to me. That's it. Get easy. Good. Get easy. Good. Easy shoulders. You're alert. Can you get easy? Can you get easy? Get easy. Your old shoulders are tense. Can you get your shoulders easy? Hey, pay attention to me. Come on, we're working here. Get your shoulders easy. Get easy. Good. There you go. Good. Good focusing on Mom. Get easy, you're shaking. Can you feel yourself shaking? Are you cold? Can you get easy? If you get easy, I'll let you go back to the couch. Abby, can you get easy? If you get easy, you can go back to the couch. Get easy. Easy. Hi. Excuse you. Go lay down, why? Get easy. Pay attention to me. Never mind them. Get easy. Abby, we're working. Can you get easy? Get easy. Good. That's better. Easy legs.